Alright guys, we have been riding now for 5 something days, most of it off-road, so you can imagine the bike is dirty, dust everywhere, and especially on the chain. So the thing that I found is I can do my little bit of a chain maintenance on the fly here by just with a couple of accessories. I have a rag here. I got something called a snap jack to lift the tires, the back tire with the kickstand. And what I'm gonna use around, I'm gonna use this mini can of WD-40 basically. It's not ideal, but better than a dry chain. So instead of carrying your chain cleaner, your chain lube and everything, you just carry this one little thing and you're good to go. Alright, so fairly simple. The tire is off the ground. The back is in neutral. I'm just gonna do this quick. Get some dust out. So I don't put the I call it the WD-40 on the dust. Get a little bit. With my hand, yeah. It's dry. I can clean it a little bit more. Just like this. Yeah, you can see it's not great. Not the best. And WD-40. And the chain is already feeling a bit better. Do this again. The rag is already. It. And one more time. Ryan F9 had a video where he was testing the different lubricants for chain, and I think if my memory serves me well, WD-40 was actually not too bad on that, not doing too bad on that list. So much better. I think that's gonna help for the next few kilometers we have to do. Alright, see ya.